y'all. Firetracks here. Let's make some music. All right, so first things first, let's start playing a few melody ideas, see what we can come up with. All right, so that's the basic piano part. Let's get a drum groove going now. And I'm gonna show y'all that you don't need a lot either when you're doing it. I'm gonna use 4 sounds. Yeah, I'm gonna use 4 sounds. I'm gonna use 4 sounds to lay the drums down. Check it. Tom sound, snap, and that's our rim shot. Oops, that's our rim shot. All right, so now that we got the basic drum pattern or groove down with the chords, let's add a few more elements to this. Maybe some pads or, you know what, let's finish, I don't know. Let's see. Let's use that same piano and add some melody ideas. Let's add the bass line to glue the basic concept together, and then we'll sprinkle around that. We got the bass down, the basic drum groove, piano parts down. Let's add a pad on it for support. I'm gonna add this pad on it. I'm gonna use 2 chords. Let me see if I can hold this camera and show you. But I'm gonna use basically a B flat major 7 add 13 or 6 or whatever you want to call it. So B flat chord with the major 7. So it's B flat, D, a F, and an A. Gives you, and I'm gonna add that 13, which is that 6th note of the B flat scale. I can put it down here also. And then just thumb that 7. And the next chord I'll do is F major, major 7, add a 6 also, so a 13 if you want to call it that. I know the 9's not in there, which is this note, but whatever. So it'll sound like this. So we almost there. I hope this is definitely helping somebody, but because we got to keep the vocals in mind, I'm going to add one more item to this track without overdoing it, and I'll do a basic mix and put it online. So it's one of my favorite plugins for vocal chops and so forth, if you want to call it, and it's called Exhale by Output. All right, here's what it sounds like. All right, y'all, that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something from it. Let me know what else you would like me to do, what else you want to see. If it helped, any questions, drop a comment below. Hit me on the DM, something. Email me something. Call me if you got my number, something. All right, thanks for checking in.